Okay, documents are a pretty intuitive aspect of the system, and most likely after working with them after a day or two, you won't have many problems. But let's take a look at how documents are handled and managed in the system. Documents are related. You can relate documents to just about any of the entities within the system. So, for example, let me go into containers, and I'll go into container information. I'll choose this one, for example. And I'll go to the Documents and Images tab. Now, of course, the system will generate its own documents. In the case of containers, you can generate container instruction sheets, delivery orders, but there's also you can add your own additional documents as well. So to do that, let's just click. I clicked on Documents and Images. I'm going to add document. I'll choose from my document types, and the document types are maintained within the system tables. And normally maintained by a system administrator, so you can add your own document types. Here I've added bill of lading, commercial invoice, and packing list. Let me pick the bill of lading, for example, and I'm going to be selecting from files either on my own computer or from files on the network if I wanted to choose from network files as well. But I'm going to pick this Word document that's on my computer, and I'll say upload. Now you can really upload any file type that Windows recognizes and associate them with an entity. So in this case, I uploaded a Word doc, but you see we also have a PDF here. You could have JPEGs, Excel spreadsheets, really any of those file types. So I uploaded my bill of lading document. If I wanted to go back in later and edit it or view it or even delete it, I could do so as long as the administrator has given me permission to do those things. So that's uploading documents, and one of the ways to easily access any documents are from the Documents section within the Sales and Purchasing menu. This is going to pull up a listing of all documents in the system, whether they're system generated or documents that we've uploaded on our own, and the ability to filter through these and manage them from here. So for example, if I just wanted to say show me all documents that have been created by me, by the user of my name, it'll just bring up my documents. Or in this case, I've sorted by date created, and I said I want to look at the documents I created today. I've got several of them, and I'm just going to check off these ones and say print these, and I'll say print selected, and that will in fact load in a batch format and print to my default printer within the network. So what a lot of people will do is they'll save invoices, for example, and run off invoices in batch forms at the end of the day, so you don't have to print them out one by one. A lot of customization can be done in here. You can customize any of these columns, and in fact, this first column where you can print in batches, you may not have in your system. If you don't, just notify your primary support person here at VISCO, and we'll add that for you. It does involve loading a couple files onto the main server to get that to work, but that's it's a nice way to print out in batches.